In order to use a bubble Cpap mode, first of all go on to the modes tab, press the rotary knob. You can see the different modes over here. Go on to the bubble Cpap mode. Once you confirm it, you have two parameters, FiO2 and flow. Select the flow, FiO2. Now select the flow. Once you press it, the color will change. You can now change the parameter. Once you reach the desired parameter, confirm it. Right now the active mode is NISPPV. If order to confirm the bubble Cpap mode, you go to the confirm and press the confirm button. Now you can see from NISPPV it has shifted to bubble Cpap mode. In order to attach for the bubble Cpap mode, we require to disconnect this Y piece from the ventilator circuit. This is BC191 nasal interface that is attached with this baby, as you can see. Now I am going to attach this inspiratory and expiratory limb here and this proximal pressure line in the proximal pressure port. Now we have connected the interface with the ventilator circuit. After attaching the ventilator circuit and proximal line like this into the baby, one more thing we need to confirm that we require a bubble Cpap jar, as you can see here. Now we need to connect the expiratory limb of the ventilator circuit, this is the expiratory limb, into this bubble Cpap stick. Now you can see here we can set up the Cpap level from this bubble Cpap jar. It is indicated over here into the stick. Whatever the desired Cpap pressure we want to keep, we can make it here. This is 6 Cpap pressure that we have set. One more thing we need to confirm that while using this bubble Cpap jar, the water level should be sufficient. If the water level is low, then the Cpap pressure is not your desired set Cpap pressure. If the water level is high, the desired Cpap pressure will be high. So always make sure that the water level is sufficient in order to achieve the desired Cpap level, whatever you have set. Now the bubble Cpap mode is active right now. We can start the therapy by moving this cursor onto this play button. Once you confirm it, the therapy will start. As you can see, we have kept, these are the set parameters and these are the delivered parameters, and this is the graphics area where you can see the pressure graph going on, and this is a bar graph which is showing the bar pressure. Now as you can see, 6 flow is set, FiO2 is 21 set, the machine is delivering 5.9 of flow and 21 FiO2, and one more parameter is there, that is P min, and you can see the oscillations are going on in this graph just because of the bubble effect, because we have connected our expiratory limb into the bubble Cpap jar. Here you can see the bubble effect over here, it is going on. As you can see, we have set the Cpap pressure 6 and the delivered Cpap pressure is 4.8, 4.9. This is because there is somewhere leak into the circuit. This is the advanced bubble Cpap mode. As you can see, it is measuring all 3 real-time parameters like mean pressure or Cpap pressure, your flow and your FiO2. Another one more thing that is adding up the patient safety is the alarm setup screen. Once you go into the alarm setup screen, here you can set the upper limit of the pressure. For example, the Cpap pressure is delivering 5 and we are keeping the alarm limit to 7. Now whenever the Cpap pressure goes beyond this limit, the machine will cut off the flow and open up the safety valve. Now I am going to show it. Right now the Cpap pressure is 5. Now in case if Cpap pressure goes beyond the level of alarm limits, the machine will open up the safety valve and cut off the flow. I am going to put this stick completely into the jar like this. As you can see, the airway pressure high alarm came and machine is cutting off the flow and opening the safety valve. It is not going to deliver the pressure beyond your alarm limit. The alarm can't be silenced because it's a high priority alarm. In order to resume the therapy, we need to again set your desired Cpap level and you can see therapy has started again.